deep wave is one of my favorite hair textures ever, and the fact that this wig is in a loose deep wave and I didn't even have to wet this hair down and it looks like this.
She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be, baby, squad up.
Today we're going to be doing a wig install. This is a completely glueless wig install. This wig comes completely customized and ready to wear. I want to thank BGMGirl Hair for sponsoring today's wig install for you guys. BGMGirl Hair's lace closure wigs are so official. It was very easy to install and style this wig today. If you would like to see how I installed and styled this wig, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. So let's go ahead and unbox this wig from BGMGirl Hair. So here are some freebies that this wig came with. It also came with this satin sleeping cap as well. This wig is a loose, deep texture. As you can tell, this is one of my favorite textures, y'all. And it is 26 inches long. It feels really soft and full at the same time. And the ends are thick too, which I love. And here is a close-up of the hairline. It is a 9 by 6 inch HD lace closure. So you have all of this parting space here. It has been pre-cut, so the lace is already pre-cut. The knots are very tiny. As you can see, they are lightly bleached, and the hairline has been pre-plucked. So here is the inside of the wig cap. There are 2 removable wig combs on each side. There is 1 removable wig comb in the back of the wig. And then there's this adjustable elastic band strap with this silicone gripping so that you can wear this wig completely glueless. There's also a C-shaped wig design right here for you to be able to place your ears comfortably behind the wig. So I went ahead and added my foundation underneath the lace. Let's go ahead and install this glueless wig. When I tell y'all this wig is so secure on my head right now, it's not going nowhere, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten up this parting a little bit. I'm gonna take this wax stick and go around the parting as well. And then I'm gonna take just a little bit of spritz and use my hot comb. Next, I'm going to take my MAC Studio Finish Concealer with my MAC 212 brush, and I'm going to use this to define the parting area. So next, let's comb out these curls and just see what it looks like. And then I'm gonna do the same on this side. So I love that I don't need to wet this hair down. I don't need to curl it. I'm gonna use a little bit of my Kerastase elixir just on these curls so they still look really nice and not frizzy. And this stuff smells good too. I've talked about this oil so many times. If y'all don't have it already, you're tripping. And do y'all see how easy this wig was to install? I love it. Love, love, love. Y'all can never make me hate a glueless wig like this. They're just so simple to throw on and go. I'm literally about to go on a last minute date with my boo. We are about to go to the movies and this is perfect. I'm about to change my clothes and your girl is gonna be ready to go. If you're interested in checking out this wig from BGMGirl Hair, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description box for you guys, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. If you haven't already watched my latest video, I did a lip swatch video on the new NARS Explicit lipsticks. You definitely want to go check that out next. Click the box right here to keep it going.